guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading! Hey everyone, this is chapter 51. Let's start reading. Is it my imagination? You seem much gentler now. Sa lapit pala talaga. Because now we are talking about cooperation. Kasi gagamitin kita. Kaya mabait ako sa'yo. Ganun. Ay naku guys, ang ingay ng mga aso. Sorry naman siya. But if someday you want to break the contract, it's okay. Reluctantly. Hindi talaga alam ng gagawin niya. Besides, I'm on my guard against you. Hindi talaga makalimutan yung nangyari sa kanya in previous life, ano? If you're tricking me, I won't be soft. But we don't know, baka yung kapatid niya talaga yun, tapos nag-as if lang na siya. Diba? Kasi from gentler, naging harass na sa kanya. Tapos pinatay pa yung pinagbubuntis niya, diba? And he's hugging her. See? That's how much he loves Bansha. Oh. So I'm willing to join hands with you. Doesn't mean you can take advantage of me. Char. Wala na, nahag ka na niya. Okay na sa kanya yun. If your highness have no objections to my offer, please give me a high five. High five. Ano yung bata? Di ba dapat shake hands? Slap. No problem. Bansha, I know what you're up to. But I'm going along with it. Ah. So, okay lang sa kanya kahit alam naman talaga niya saan papunta tong usapang to. Pero, of course, because of love, she'll just close her eyes. His eyes pala. Because with more contact, someday, you might come forward and say why you hate me. Yun pala yung gusto niyang malaman. Basta siya, love niya si Bansha. Bansha, I hope you don't get in too deep. The situation in the capital are more complicated than you might think. But don't worry, I'll always be behind you. Kakatouch naman yarn, I'm always behind you. You're not alone. Touch yarn, pero of course, lagi niya talagang iisipin yung nangyari. Pabalik-balik talaga yun kasi yung last memory niya, namatay siya eh. And I'm going to destroy the Chin family, the family of your beloved Queen Mother. And when that happens, will you be able to keep your word? O nga pala, magre-revenge din siya para sa pamilya niya, di ba? Thank you, Your Highness. I won't disgrace Your Highness and Tianji Tower. Pero di natin alam kung ano ba talagang reason behind. Chin family. Yubei. Ba talaga? Go back to the capital. Napalis, hindi mo ihatid? I can't see anything going between Yubei and Qingdai for now. Maybe he's being honest with me now, but who knows what the future holds. Oo naman. Hindi naman sila close. Yung kapatid, yung close ni Qingdai. Feeling ko talaga nag-as if lang yun yung dati na si Yubei. Tapos, yun yung ginawa niya ng ganun. Pinatay si Bansha. Pati yung anak. No matter what, I don't want to get emotionally involved with anyone in my life. Marcus Yao, resident. Bensha, what's wrong with you? Miss, did you have a nightmare? Please don't kill me. Please. Ay, nako, nagdadrama si ate mo, girl. Magaling na actress to. Mother, I don't want to die. I've got all the right words to say when I think the little bitch is gonna blow the whistle on me. But she's like this now. Is she crazy or... Sige. Gagawa pa sana siya ng ano eh. Ng drama din niya pero naunahan siya. Mom's here. It's okay. Ah, no, no. Don't come any closer. Ah, diba? Ang galing drumama. I'm scared. Don't kill me. Gee, she must be faking it. Pero wala kang magagawa. Magaling na actress yan. Master, Bansha is in a state of delirium. You can't believe everything she says. I think she has confused me with the bandits. Talaga lang ha? Playing pitiful agad. Master, I haven't done anything to hurt Bansha, and I've been seriously injured as well. O diba? Siya agad ang nilapit. Tanga-tanga talaga itong tatay na to. Alas, be careful of your wound. Lift up. It's not a fake wound, and it's not shallow. Jinshi was really hard on herself to clear her name. Sober people lie easily. Nonsense spouted after the horrible experience is in fact a summary of the incident, and you're saying it's not credible? The tagam. Tama naman si Lola. Inaano po pa, sinisiraan mo pa si Bansha. No wonder this bitch acted like she mad out of shock. Turns out that would be more believable. Master, the man who went for intelligence is back. Baka ano lang din yan, tauhan din yan ni Jinshin. I heard that the Crown Prince went to investigate today. The group that robbed the temple were not what? The same as the bandits from the outer Molyo. Tan-tananan! At nalaman na po niya. Combining Bansha's words, her current situation, and the soldier pretending to be a bandit. Gets mo na ba? Throughout the capital, besides Tukchin, who else has the ability and reason to do this? Of course, your wife alone. The family of your wife. Alright, so that's the end of that chapter. Next episode na naman tayo, and this is the preview. The Kirin wards off evil and also symbolizes good luck and auspiciousness. Insert. Ano naman yan? It's really auspicious. Thank you, Your Highness, for this rare gift that suits my taste. Sino ba yan? I don't know her. Alright, the next chapter would be titled as Bansha's Coming of Age Ceremony. So stay tuned and please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye!
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the